OB Plumbing Solutions. Build your home with us. Our plumbing services include water heater repair and installation, drain cleaning, fixture installation, sewer repair and cleaning, repiping, leak detection and repair, and emergency plumbing services. On water heater services, installation, repair, and replacement of tank and tankless water heaters. On drain cleaning, clearing clogs and other blockages in sinks, tubs, and showers. On sewer and septic services, repair and replacement of sewer lines, inspections, and clearing blockages. On fixture repair and installation, repairing and replacing faucets, toilets, sinks, showers, and other plumbing fixtures. On garbage disposal services, repair and installation of garbage disposals. On leak detection and repair, locating and repairing leaks in pipes and water lines. On water line services, repairing breaks and issues in the main water supply line to a home. On repiping, replacing old or damaged pipes throughout a property. We based in hometown Blantyre, but we move all around Malawi. For the best plumbing services for you, contact us. Call 088-260380/098-2525-180. WhatsApp 088-260380/098 225-180. Telegram 088-260380. Email mwshiftinglight@gmail.com.